Hello, welcome to No Code Nerd, episode whatever. I'm not counting the episode numbers anymore because it got confusing. I got a new little hat. That's kind of cute. Hello, my name is Max. This is No Code Nerd. Today we're talking about Podia. Podia is very cool. Basically, Podia is a combination tool. It's a package deal, right? Normally, when I build things, I build them with little tiny free tools that I can find every which way, and I try to integrate them together, right? But if you want to sell something like a webinar, a download, a membership, an ebook, an information product, right? And then you have to go and build a website, and you have to find a payment platform, and you have to create a digital download, and you have to maybe create like a membership space or a live embedded chat widget, all that different kind of stuff, all these like 3 or 4 or 5 different things to make it a real full service kind of thing. Podia does that all at once really quickly. And because it's a package deal, it's priced a little bit more, but as they say, get the power of 5+ tools for the price of one. So if you're selling an info product or a webinar or a download or a membership or an online course or anything like that, Podia is kind of the full service dealio to get that done. So very cool. I plan to use this on the show at some point if I really want to whip something up insanely fast and get it all completely ready to go. But let me know what you think. Let me know what kind of info products you might want to sell and how Podia might be useful. Heck yeah, I'll see you on the next episode.